Alright, Life in Animal Crossing, Season 1, Episode 14, and action!
Guys, I just thought of a perfect way on how we can survive out here.
Oh really? And what might that be, Matt?
I'll have to kill one of you.
Matt, that is the craziest thing I've ever heard from you! Well, Matt, if you are so smart, who are you gonna kill then?
Sorry, Joseph, it's been nice knowing you.
Me? Why me? Now, Matt, we're not killing my boyfriend, okay?
Then we can kill you then, Mariel.
Matt, we are not killing Mariel either.
Well, who are we gonna kill then?
Matt, we're not killing anybody, okay? Besides, if you were able to kill us, what would you use?
This thing!
Matt, that's a plastic knife.
Oh, god damn it!